Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next lectures of the accounting terminology. Today I will discuss a few others accounting terminology which should be known to you. Now first of all you may listen here the bad debts recovered, balance sheet, book value, books of accounts, debit, credit, depreciations, entity, entry, insolvent, proprietor, rebate, insolvent, and calendar year. These are the today's accounting terminology which we are going to make on discussion. So first of all, you may understand about what is bad debts. As you know, the meaning of the debtors means the money irrecoverable from the customer is known as bad debts. So it means uncollected amount called as bad debts. So that it will remain with the customers only. So next is the bad debts recovered. If any bad debt amount is done, which is already written off with the name of bad debts, and now the customer is ready to pay, so then it again is to be recovered. So that is to be called as the bad debts recovered. So customer is to be said to be bad debts, and again is to be ready to repay. So is called as bad debts recovered. So the both items are related with the customer debtors. So if it is irrecoverable, called as bad debts. Irrecoverable amount is, if received, is called as bad debts received or recovered. Now next is the balance sheet. Balance sheet is a statement which show the details of assets, liabilities, and the capitals and the net worth of the organizations in the proper time. So the total of the balance sheet always remain equal. So the next is the book value. Book value word is referring the value which shown in the balance sheet is to be called as the book value. It means it is to be related with the assets, liabilities or with the capitals. So again listen, the net amount showed in the accounts of the balance sheet with the name of assets, liabilities or with the owners equity means capitals. So the book value word is referring that if any asset is purchased, if depreciation is there, is to be deducted and the net value will be shown. When it is to be shown, it is to be called as book value in the balance sheet. So the next is books of accounts. The books of accounts mean the books in which the financial transactions are recorded. Like the example is cash book, journal and ledger. These are the main books of the accounting systems. Next one is debit. Debit means as a recording system we are saying what comes in. And credit means we are saying as a recording system what goes out. But as a posting system means a ledger posting system, we are saying the entry to shown on the left side of the account is called as debit or to be shown on the right side is to be called as credit. So listen again, here the two words are coming here. One is on the basis of recording and the second is on the basis of posting. So the one is debit. Debit means what comes in. It comes in means to be recorded in the journal as a debit. But and the entry on the left side of the any account is to be called as debit. And now the second is what goes out as a journal when we are recording is called as credit. And now an entry on the right side of the any account is to be called as credit. So listen again. The bad debt means unreceivable amount and the bad debts received means uncollected amount already written off which has to be shown as a loss now is received called as bad debts received, and the balance sheet shows the details of total assets and total liabilities and capitals also, and the book value means the value shown in the balance sheet with the net amount is to be called as the book value, and the books of accounts means the books in which the financial transactions are recorded. It's called as books of accounts. Debit means the entry on the left side of the ledger account is called as debit or to the right side is to be called as credit. Now I am moving to the next one, depreciation. Depreciation word is referring to reducing the value of asset. Asset means that generally it is applicable to the fixed assets. When the fixed asset by using of time period or maybe the continuous use, the value always remain non deteriorations. So this is the cause of So it will be reduce the value of asset is to be called the depreciation. And second name is the wasting asset also. The next is the entity. Entity word is generally we are using for the organizations. Means an economic unit word is referring to the unit means business coming for the purpose of economic means making of money. So the here we are using only the activities, economic activities. So entity word is referring to the name of business, business unit performing the business activity. Now next is the entry. Entry word is referring to recording of the transactions in the books of accounts called as entry. Entry. But when it is recording in journal, it is to be called as journal entry. And now insolvent. Insolvent means when a person is uh, when a business is not responsible to pay the financial obligations, financial liabilities, then business is to be called as insolvent. When a business is liable to pay, called as solvent. Now the proprietor word is referring the person who generally makes the investment in the business and generally bear all the risk of the business is called as proprietor, owner, you may say. Rebate. Rebate word is referring to reduction in the price allowed by the seller when the price goods has been sold to the customer. After that, the goods has been given the few reduction in the price is called as rebate. So the solvent word is referring the business is able to meet the financial obligations. Earlier we told not able to meet the obligation called as insolvent. So the when the business is liable to pay the on the financial liabilities, we can say when the incomes are sufficient to pay the liabilities, then the solvent, or if income is more than to pay the liability, or you may say the value of asset is more than the liabilities. So the calendar year is referring, generally we are using the calendar year 1st January to 31st December. So these are covering the 12-month period called as the reporting year also. But generally the business are using the financial year starting from the 1st April to the 31st March. So this is the meaning of the calendar year or the financial year. So listen again the meaning of the depreciation. So depreciation means decreasing the value of asset, fixed assets. Entity means the name of business organization. Entry means recording the transaction in business. Insolvent means no business is not capable to pay the financial obligations. Proprietor means the person who is investing the money and bearing the risk. Rebate means reduction in the price after selling. And a solvent means business is able to meet the financial obligations. And calendar year means reporting years of the organizations. Or the financial year means the accounting year of the organization start from the 1st April to 31st. So these are the few terminology which should be known to you. Thank you.